Hi guys, this is Ames and welcome to my channel. For this video, we are going to talk about the do's and the don'ts on watercolor. Ano nga ba yung mga dapat gawin at iwasan lalo na sa pagpo-portrait gamit ang watercolor? Guys, I know the struggle nung nagsisimula pa lang ako sa watercolor. Like, kung ano ba dapat yung mga steps na gagawin, kung ano yung mga dapat iwasan, kung anong techniques, kung anong materials. Mahirap talaga yun kapain, lalo na kung bago ka. So, here are simple tips and techniques that I can share. Anyway guys, this is just my preference. It's still up to you kung anong style or technique ang gusto mong gawin. So, let's start. Here is a common paper or a printer paper. Ito yung pinakaunang papel na sinubukan ko for watercolor. And kung mapapansin nyo naman, sinisip-sip agad ng papel yung tubig. And may spots siya na kulay gray. Manipis lang itong papel, kaya madali lang rin siyang kumulubot. Kung medyo harsh ka pa sa pag-brush, mapapansin mo nagti-tear up yung papel or nasisira yung kanyang texture. And ayan, nag-stain na siya sa table ko. Next, we have vellum or specialty board. Mas makapal naman siya di hamak kumpara sa printer paper. Katulad ng printer paper, ina-absorb niya lang din yung water and meron pa din siyang gray spots na visible. Kung medyo hard din yung pag-brush mo, magbabakbak din yung papel. The tendency is mahihirapan kang mag-layer and masisira yung texture ng papel. So, kung manipis yung papel mo, madali lang siyang kumulubot kasi hindi niya kayang hawakan yung tubig na nilalagay mo sa kanya. And this is the vellum. So, kung mapapansin nyo naman, nasira yung texture and na-retain lang yung gray spots sa kanya. So, less lang yung kulubot niya kasi makapal. So, these papers are really not advisable for you to use when dealing with watercolor. So now, kung beginner ka and hindi ka pa familiar dito, this is a watercolor paper. I'm using Canson watercolor paper. And here are some materials that we are going to use. Some brushes. This is an animal hair and this is made of nylon. A masking tape, a clean water, and another clean water, tissue, and last, the kneadable eraser. So now let's start by sketching. Yung kaliwang side ang dapat mong iwasan while the right side will be the good practices in watercolor. So as you can see, yung kaliwa, medyo hard yung pag-sketch and nilagyan ko na agad ng shadows. While in the right side naman, mas light lang or magaan yung pag-sketch ko para mas madali siyang burahin. The less graphite na nasa papel, the better because it will help you to efficiently erase the graphite at di siya magiging visible sa final output mo. So now, gagamitan ko yung right side ng masking tape and malalaman nyo yung dahilan kung bakit mamaya. Then, I will use a kneadable eraser to simply lift the graphite on the sketch. Ito yung sinasabi ko na para maiwasan yung visible line sa final output mo. Huwag kang gagamit ng hard eraser kasi masisira yung texture ng papel. Iwasan mo na masyadong dark agad or direktang kulay ng reference ang ipipaint mo kasi mahihirapan ka mag-add ng value lalo na sa light tone. Iwasan mo din na matakpan yung mga dapat white parts. And huwag ka din magdadagdag ng layer lalo na kung basa yung naunang layer kasi it's either magmimix yung first and second layer or mahuhukay mo mismo yung first layer. And ang process ng watercolor ay different sa acrylic or oil or other mediums. It should be light to dark. Uunahin mo dapat yung light tones and last na yung pinaka-dark tone. So kung inuna mo yung dark colors or black, tendency is magmimix siya dun sa ipapatong mong layer. And dapat may control ka sa tubig. Di advisable na masyadong madaming tubig ang ina-apply mo kasi kahit gumamit ka pa ng watercolor paper, pwede pa rin yang kumulubot, lalo na kung hindi ka gumamit ng masking tape. So now, here are some good practices for watercolor. Again, this is just my preference. It will still depend on what style or technique you prefer. To control the water on your brush, bawasan mo na agad yung load or simply tap mo na lang yung brush dun sa tissue para isipsipin niya yung tubig na nasa brush. Bago ko in-apply yung pigment, nagtimpla muna ako ng kulay and more water to achieve the light tone. The first layer should be the lightest part of your skin tone next to white. Hindi ko na i-elaborate kung paano magtimpla ng skin tone kasi may separate video na ako dedicated to that. If you want, I will put the link on the description box. Hinintay ko munang matuyo yung first layer bago ko i-apply yung second layer. This is to avoid the bleeding or mixing of the colors. Layering ang technique na ginagawa natin kasi ang characteristic ng watercolor ay transparent. So, slow ang pag-build up ng colors and again, make sure na tuyo muna ang naunang layer to avoid the bleeding. Siguraduhin tuyo na yung layer bago nyo lagyan ng dark layer. Katulad ng skin tones, inuna ko ang lightest tone ng buhok as the first layer and then unti-unti ko ding i-build up yung colors ng hair. So, layering din siya. Kung mapapansin nyo, paulit-ulit lang yung process or step na ginagawa natin. The first layer will be the lightest part and then, unti-unti nating i-build up yung colors hanggang makuha natin yung desired tone na gusto nating ma-achieve. While on the last part, dun na papasok yung mga fine lines or details. So this is the reason why you should put a masking tape, lalo na kung manipis lang yung watercolor paper mo. Sa side kung saan walang masking tape, mas makulubot siya. While on the other side na merong masking tape, mas less yung kulubot. So here is the final output. So kung mapapansin nyo, madaming bleeding, pati yung lapis napaka-visible and pati yung shade natin, nag-smudge siya dun sa kulay. While dun sa mga good practices na ginawa natin, mas visible yung details and mas maganda yung naging output. Big shoutout nga pala kay Cohen Mercadejas and Bern Davadilla. For more art videos, you can visit them and I will leave the link on the description box. So, that's all guys. I hope may natutunan kayo and if you have questions and suggestions, just leave it all in the comment section. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload more art videos like this. Thank you for watching. Bye!